This video has words starting with AA and AB. And what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word hard work?
Hard work? Is it hard work?
Hard work in human, right? But hard work, what is it? Hard work.
Hard work? I don't know.
Hard work for humans. Aardvark is an animal which is a nocturnal, which is active during night, and it's a burrowing mammal of Africa with long ears and tubulous note. Okay, and it feeds on the ants and termites. It's something like this. Okay.
Yes, like a...
Shireen, if I say I've kept that in the, I've kept it back, what does it mean?
If you have kept it back, means it is like in the rear end.
Yeah, for example, in a car, I could say I can kept it aback. But what is the meaning of I was just taken aback when she gifted me that?
Taken aback means you're shocked.
A surprise,
Like
right?
surprise.
Yeah.
Mommy, why is Rio abandoning to watching video?
Yeah, he is abandoning himself to watching videos, which means he is completely indulging in watching videos. But when you said, I thought, but abandoning is ignoring, right? Like, don't abandon your cycle practice, which means don't ignore your cycle practice, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And also it means cancel, like tour was abandoned due to weather issues, which means it was banned or discontinued, cancelled. Okay.
This is the base.
And what is
I'm abasing it.
abasing? Means you're breaking a base, right? Because it has a. Abasing, what is abasing?
Abasing means you're degrading someone.
Yeah, which means also humiliating, which means she abased her brother. Oh, Sherin, why are you humiliating your brother? But no, Sherin wouldn't do that just for camera's sake. She's doing basically she abased herself before others would do for being thin. That's what she's doing, but it's not good. Sherin, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abash?
Smash?
Oh my goodness, don't do that. Don't do smashing.
No, I will.
Oh God, this girl is not abashed at being caught. She was not abashed at being caught. But this boy, here abashed is not being humiliated. See, she's not embarrassed. But this boy, oh, he looks so embarrassed. He looks so abashed. Are you looking abashed? Because we are humiliating that you're playing with the sand. Rio, are you? Sherin, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abate?
A bait? A bait. And I'm also keeping your sand bait.
Sand bait. You think that will tempt him, Rio, to play with the sand?
Yes.
But I don't think nothing will abate. Your abate is decreasing or calming down or reducing the intent, especially for a ferocious or a more intense emotion. Okay, I don't think that will abate Rio's zeal to play with the sand. And there are other examples like the appetizer will abate your hunger, or the storm got abated, nothing abated her weight losing zeal. Shireen, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abay?
A bay? A bay?
Bay is the place full of, like, it's an ocean full of water, right? But
Yes.
can you believe this world, that's ocean, this world is full of nuns and monks? Because
Yes.
abbey is a building that is accommodating the community of monks and nuns. Usually where monks are staying, we call it as a monastery. Nuns is a nunnery and convent. Where nuns are
Yes.
residing is convent, okay? But altogether it is called as abbey, okay? Do you know what is first thing comes when I say abbess?
A best? A best?
A bestie?
You're the best?
Yeah, she's a bestie, you can call, because she is a nun. Okay, abbess is actually a woman who is the head of the abbey of nuns, which means she is the head of the building that accommodates all the nuns. Okay, and do you know who is an abbot? What is first thing comes when I say abbot?
Abortion.
Like a plan is aborted, which means it's cancelled, or a baby gets aborted, right? But abbot is the man who is the head of the abbey of monks. Maybe he has to get aborted, but later he became the head of the monks. You can remember that way. Shireen, what is the abbreviation of SAS? It is Shireen Andrea Satish. Abbreviation is shortening a word or sentence or something. Basically, abbreviation is used for easy purpose, not in the important purposes like the medical analysis. They won't write in abbreviated form. Abbreviated. Shireen, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abdicate?
Abdicate, indicate.
Yeah, you're indicating someone to get out of your position. Like the other day, we have actually appointed the door opener Rio, right?
Yeah.
Because he used to open the door, and lately you got into a tussle with him and you said a little fight, and you said you cannot be the door opener. You just compelled him to abdicate his position, which means resign, to get out of his position.
Actually,
right?
I did not compel him. This is all for camera purpose only.
Actually, he himself abdicated his position as a door opener. Basically, it is like resigning your position, usually for a monarch, like for a king or for a government or for any high position personality. And in the movie Bahubali also, Bahubali will be compelled to abdicate his throne because of some evil surroundings. And though the people liked him when he abdicated his powers, the government, Rajamata, the evil king, will still accuse him. He will be accused of abdicating his responsibility. Here, abdicating is, the evil king says, Bahubali failed to finish his responsibilities. So, abdicating is you disown your position or you fail, you do your responsibility. Shireen, what is abdomen?
Abdomen, it's the stomach.
Yes, for human beings and also for the animals. Abdomen means stomach. Shireen, what is abduct?
Kidnapping.
Yes, kidnapping. The millionaire was abducted for his money, okay? There is another meaning for abduct, like you're separating. The eyes are separated by, abducted by, okay? By the posterior rectus muscle. Posterior rectus muscle abducts the eye. Here, abduct is moving a muscle or any part away from the middle line of the body. Shireen, what is the first thing comes in your mind when I ask the word aberrant?
Aberrant? I don't have any clue.
Yeah, you do yoga. Basically, it is an abnormal word, right? Which is not normal, which is not expected, which is very unusual, okay? So, aberrant characters means, you know what are the characters of a person's are the typical ones. So, aberrant means it is a very unusual one. So, that is the aberrant things. There is, you can say, they describe the outbreak of violence in that area as an aberration. Aberration means usually the area will be very peaceful, calm, and this violence in that area is very unusual. It is an aberration. So there are chromosomes in our body, or there are muscles in our body that are very normal, typical characteristics. There are certain things goes wrong. They are called as aberrant. Aberrant. When you say aberration, you say it aberration. When it is aberrant, you say it aberrant. Chromosomes. And there are color aberrations. And if someone is departing from an accepted standard, you can call it as an aberrant, okay? This somewhat aberrant behavior, it needs an explanation, my dear. This is not good. You can say to your kids, if the kids are not obeying, you can call it as an aberrant behavior. Shin, what's come in your mind when I say the word abet?
Abet? A bet?
Yeah, in betting you do with confidence, but you're abetting with guilt, okay? Because abetting is helping a person, especially in a wrongdoing thing, committing a crime or other offense, okay? So it's like we are aiding and abetting this illegal traffic, which means there is an illegal traffic which you're not supposed to enter. But you know, you're kind of doing it, and also not only doing, you're helping others to do so, okay? And do you hear this? The person, he was not guilty of murder, but he was guilty of aiding and abetting the murderer, which means he was helping, okay? Aiding and abetting. You don't say aiding alone, you say aiding and abetting. Shireen, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abeyance?
Reliance?
What is reliance?
Dependence or trust on somebody.
Yeah, you're trusting somebody, but you know what? Abeyance, you're not doing it temporarily because you don't trust, or what? I don't know what is it. Abeyance is a temporary disuse, or temporarily you're suspending, not using something, okay? Like you use one word that means suspending, right? But when you use abeyance, you have to use three words, like held in abeyance or left in abeyance. Okay, for example, the project was left in abeyance for time being, or the matter was held in abeyance, which means the matter is being suspended or not used for a temporary period. Sherin, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abhor?
Abort?
Abhor.
Mission cancel. Means cancel thing.
Abhor resembles what sound? Abhor means what? Yeah.
What is abhor? A blueberry?
Huh?
Is it abhor sounds like a blueberry, like a kind of berry.
It's kind of very. But abhor means you dislike, okay? You hate. I abhor medicines, which means I hate medicines. I abhor eating broccoli means I hate broccoli, okay? And the racial discriminations was abhorrent to all of us, which means it's hateful, it's disgusting to all of us. What's the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abide?
Abide?
Yeah.
Travel?
Why you are traveling? Actually, abide means you're living in a place, not you are living, because abide in archaically in olden days it is living, okay? Many unskillful men abide in our country. That is in olden days, but now only the memory or a feeling lives in your mind is called abiding, okay? For example, this moment will abide in my heart forever, which means it will remain in our heart for long lastingly, okay? Will abide. So that's one meaning of abide. And the second meaning is you cannot tolerate it, okay? I really cannot abide the lack of discipline, okay? Which means I really cannot tolerate. That is abide, okay? And there is, if you say abide alone, there is two meanings. One is the living feeling, and you cannot tolerate, okay? The second, abide by, means you abide by means obey, okay? I abide by the law, which means I obey the law.
Obey the law.
I abide by the decision. What does that mean?
You follow the decision.
Very good. Sherin, what is the ability you have you think is you're good in?
Talking for a long time.
Yeah, you're capable for ability is capable of talking for a long time. That's your ability, I think. Sherin, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abject?
Abject.
Yeah. Object, object is good, right?
Objective.
And abject is bad, okay? For example, when I say abject poverty, what do you understand?
It is a bad poverty.
And when I say she is an abject person,
She's a bad person.
that's an abject apology. What does that mean?
It's like a bad apology.
Like how?
Sorry.
Sure, what is the thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abjure?
Bonjour.
What does bonjour means?
In French, it means hello.
But abjure means no. It's not hello, it's no.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
abjure
no
means
to
you're
hello.
denying, you're refusing, you're denying, basically saying no, okay? My mommy, she refuses to abjure. See, she refuses to say no, okay? My mommy, she refuses to abjure to you for watching video, and that's why she hate. That's why I abhor her, and that's why Sherin loves her. Sherin, what's the first thing comes in your mind when I say the word ablaze?
In Minecraft, it is like below the world. It is literally below the world and choose fire at you.
Yeah, basically ablaze is burning fiercely, okay? You're burning. The protesters overturned the cars and they set them ablaze with fire. What does that mean?
A blaze of fire, burning into fire.
Yeah, and also if you're filled with anger also, you can call it ablaze. In 1990, the whole Europe was ablaze with revolution, okay? Because they don't like the old ideas. They want to change. And look at your brother. He is ablaze, okay? Because we did not give him anything to play with. He is ablaze with fury, which means filled with anger or other strong emotions is also called ablaze. And you know what? Your shirt is ablazing, which means it's very brightly colored, okay? The one you call jassy colored, vivid, jassy also is ablazing. It's basically very brightly colored. So three things in anger: a brightly colored, and the fire. Shirin, you know what is able? I'm able to do this, right? Do you know what is an ableism?
Ableism. Is it about Abel?
Cain and Abel?
Yeah.
No. It's like if you are not dumb, you're going to a dumb person and you're saying, hey, you cannot speak, but see how nice I'm speaking. Okay, you're discriminating that others, saying that you are able to do it and the others are not able to do it. It's called ableism. Okay. And what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word ablution?
Illusion?
Illusion, but can you believe that ablution is washing oneself? Yeah, because ablution is the act of washing oneself, ceremonial act, okay? Because it is believed that washing yourself means you're clearing off your skin, okay? And then you're entering into a sacred place. For example, the Muslims, before they have a ablution room, it's also called ablution, okay? Which has some toilet facilities and also the washing, it's a washroom facilities where they go and wash their hands and the legs or sometimes the full body before entering into the mosque, because they believe they should enter with a clean body, right? And also in Hindus also they are like that. In Christians also, we go to church or temple but after taking a full body wash. That's also called ablution, especially before going to a holy place. All right. And Jesus in Jordan, what he baptized is also a form of ablutions. Okay, so ablution is like a ceremonial act of washing the parts of the body, or it is the place for that. Shireen, what's the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abnegate? Negate. Abnegate. Yeah, navigating is like you're entering into something, but abnegating is you're refusing, you're rejecting it. For example, you abnegated the responsibility I gave you in doing maths, right? So which means you rejected, you refused to do. That's abnegating. Negate itself means you're refusing. Negate. A negative answer, what does that mean? Negative, right? So I'm asking you something and if you're giving me a negating, it's like kind of abnegating, okay? Abnormal means unusual. He's so abnormal now, which means he's so unusual from how he used to be. Shireen, what is first thing when comes in your mind when I say the word aboard?
Aboard? You're boarding a ship?
Yeah, basically aboard is you're on or into a ship, aircraft, train or other vehicle, okay? The plane crashed killing all 158 people. Aboard means there were 158 people. Just now I said about aboard is like you're into an aircraft or any vehicle. That has an R, aboard. That is into a vehicle. When without an R, when it is aboard, it is like it's any place of residence where you're living, okay? For example, it's very formally used. And her current abode, which means her current residence, he has reached heavenly abode means the person has passed away because he has reached heavenly the residence. Shireen, what is that one thing comes in your mind when I say the word abolish?
Polish?
You're polishing something and you're putting an end to something. Yes, abolish means you're formally putting an end to a system or practice or institution. I can say that I'm going to abolish Shireen's practice of watching video while eating, okay? Because I'm going to quash it, like I'm formally putting an end to. That's abolish. The tax was abolished in 1977. Shireen, what is the first thing that comes in your mind when I say the word abominable?
Abominable? I think it's stomach.
Abominable, a bomb.
I think it's stomach.
It's like sounds like a bomb. Whatever, is this a stomach or a bomb? It's abominable means it's like very very bad. Okay, if I say abominable crime, it's a bad crime. If I say abominable,
baby.
What an abominable mess you have made, which means it's a very bad mess.
It's abnormal.
Shen, what do you understand when I say aboriginal?
Aboriginal? Maybe abnormal?
Which because you have an ab before an original, you think it's an opposite to original, right?
Yeah.
But no, it's actually original. A person belonging to a native place is called aboriginal people of Australia, okay? When I say that the social structure of the aboriginals of India, which means the native people of India. Aboriginal of a country means the native, the indigenous, okay? Indigenous people, the native people. Sharon, what do you understand by abort?
Abortion.
Yeah, especially you know when a fetus in the mother's womb get aborted, which means basically abort has two meanings. One is unsuccessful and the other is cancelled. When I say the flight is abort, the flight crew aborted the takeoff, what does that mean? The flight crew cancelled the takeoff, okay? Other than that, whenever you hear about it, it's like unsuccessful. I just wasted a year on an abort, which means an unsuccessful enterprise. Sharon, what comes in your mind when I say abound?
A boundary?
No, it's boundary is when is determined when you have a numerous thing, right? Similarly, abound is like numerous. When I say abound, this area abounds with temples. Okay, abounds with temples means this area has numerous temples. Okay, that exist in large numbers. And Shirin, yesterday a murder happened, and I think it's true because the news, the rumors about the murder is abounding, which means it's coming in numerous number. Shirin, you know the preposition about. Just make a sentence out of about.
I was about to do that, but you did it.
Okay, the another meaning is happening in the air. Okay, it's just happening. It's in the air. It's like most frequently happening these days. There was a lot of corona or a lot of flu about. Okay, and another thing is used to express the location of a particular place. She looked about the room, and also we know about turn, right? Similarly, you can say about face. About face means in the morning when I asked, you said, "Mommy, okay, we can go to that park." But when the dad came and asked in the evening, you just made an about face. You just made an about turn, which means a complete change of opinion or policy which you initially had. That is about face. Shireen, you know the preposition above.
Yes.
Make a sentence out of it.
The skies are above us.
Okay, that's true. Do you know what is above board? Usually when people bribe, they don't take the money above the table, okay? They take the money, bribe the money below the table. But above board means being honest. So all the transactions should be made above board, which means all the transactions should be made honest, okay? And what is the meaning of above all? Above all means most importantly, okay? My concern above all is speaking the truth. My concern most importantly is to speak the truth. And what is the meaning of above average? Average is normal. Above average means better than normal.
Yeah. Or
Okay?
excellent.
And you say something and finally you can say the above mentioned things should all be done before tonight.
Beforehand.
Yeah. And there is one more thing called above and beyond. Above and beyond means in addition to. She is always out there to help us above and beyond her duties, which means in addition to her duties, she is always there to help us out. Shirin, what is abracadabra?
It's like a word said in magicians.
Yeah, like hocus pocus and mumbo jumbo. These days I've been watching a lot of abracadabras and hocus pocus. I think I'll watch some fun movies.